Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cloud Thinking. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification icon so that you get notified anytime I create a new video. If you have, thank you so much for supporting my channel. So today I want to cover a really cool trick that I learned quite a while back, but some of the method has changed a little bit. Some of the the buttons that you click on and all that has changed for this year. And that is how to convert a PDF to a Word document without needing software. And by software, I mean you do not need to have Adobe Pro or anything like that on your computer in order to do this. You can simply do it as long as you have a internet connection. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your internet browser in Chrome. Alright. In the search box, you're going to type in Google Drive and hit enter. Okay, the first options are going to be Google Drive, so go ahead and click the Google Drive option right here. Select that. Once it opens up, this is actually your Google Drive location where you can manage documents, save them, actually convert them, and lots of other options, right? So it'll kind of store everything, that pictures that you have in your email and anything that you really need to store. Okay, so we're going to go to the settings icon up here. You're going to select that. You're going to go down to settings, select that, and this option right here, convert uploads. So you're going to select convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. So we'll go ahead and select that. You're going to hit done. Okay, now let's go up top, drag this over a little bit. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure your document is easily accessible, right? So if you have it in a folder, open up your folder, and you're going to want to grab that document. Right here I have mine. I'm going to select it, drag it over, and release. Okay, let's bring this back over, maximize that. Alright, so and it will actually go ahead and upload. You can close this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to want to select our document. Okay, right now you can see it's still in PDF format. Alright, so you're going to go over here and you're going to select more actions. Just choose that, and you're going to go down to open with, and if you see the option Google Docs, go ahead and select that, and you'll give it a few seconds and it'll start loading up. Now it does depend on the size of your PDF. You know, some PDFs have tons of pictures and things. As you can see, this one is, I mean, it's formatted with your chapters and everything. So this is a really nice example. Now when it converts it, obviously most PDFs were created in Adobe Pro or something to that effect. Some were created in Word and converted to PDF. But some of them, the formatting will just be off, but you can go through once you convert it to a document, or even from your Google Drive right here to your Google Docs, you can actually go ahead and clean it up and make it look better if you want. Okay, so we're in Google Docs right now. What we're going to do is go ahead and go up to File. We're going to select that, and we're going to go to Download As, and as you can see, you have a Word document format that you can choose. So let's go ahead and select that. Okay, so as you can see, it's saving it down here. You have a couple options. You can go ahead and show in the folder, right? And then you see it right here in the folder. And you can take that if you want and minimize this, and you can just take it and drag it off. For this example, we're just going to, let's go back to our web page. We're going to go down and we're going to actually select the open option. Select open, and it will open up. Okay, and you want to go ahead and click the enable editing option, and as you can see, the document has been converted to a Word doc. Okay, at this time we still need to save it. Okay, and I wanted to show you this way because this is pretty much, I think, the typical way a lot of people actually open their documents. So as soon as you open it, it's still not truly saved. So let's go ahead and go to File, go down to Save As, and you're going to choose your location. We want to save ours to our desktop. We'll select that. We are good with the name. Okay, so you do that and you go ahead and hit Save. Okay, so at this time it has saved. We can actually go ahead and close this one, and I will show you. Let's minimize that. Go back to our desktop, and as you can see, we now have a Word document of the PDF version that we had converted. You can open that up. And again, like I said, of course, some of the conversion, the formatting is off. However, as you can see, you can now edit any text within what was a PDF, which really comes in handy if you are kind of moving documents around or collaborating with others. Okay, so, and again, if you go through and just kind of edit, this one kind of got threw off, so it'd be easy to just kind of go through and, edit that as you need to. Now, here's another trick. So, and a lot of you probably actually already know this. I think it's pretty common knowledge these days, but you can actually go up to, once you're done editing, everything that you need to, you can actually convert this back to a PDF after you've fixed whatever you needed to fix. And that's simple by going to File. You're going to do the drop down. You're going to go to Export. Okay, and you can do Create PDF right there, and then go ahead and select the Create PDF or XPS button. So let's click that. Okay, it brings up your dialog box to navigate to where you want to save it to, as well as name it. You go ahead and we save ours to the desktop, and let's change the name. Let's put this as though we corrected it, and we will call it Corrected. Okay, and you go ahead and hit Publish. Okay, and it go ahead and publishes it to as a PDF. Okay, and now you have converted it back to a PDF. So again, very simple. Just remember, you didn't need software on your desktop. You just needed to, go to Google Drive, drag it over, make sure you change your settings so it converts it. You drag it over, open it with Google Docs, and then you can download it as a Word document. Okay? I hope this was helpful. If so, go ahead and show me down below. Give me that thumbs up. And if you haven't, subscribe. And thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you have a good night.